Good morning. Well, probably afternoon or evening for y'all. I'm 5 hours behind you. I'm in Hawaii. My name is Jamie Ailes, and this is my icebreaker discussion post for Social Work 520. What has been your experience with learning research? I have had a few introductory courses that kind of went a little more in depth every time. I have an associate's degree in criminal justice and a bachelor's in sociology with an emphasis in social work, and now I'm here. So I have had a few. I do see in the syllabus things that we're going with that this course is a little more in depth, which goes into what excites you about the course. I'm kind of excited about that. I think that it's very important. Although research isn't really my thing, I do understand the importance of it. It definitely helps social workers, the people that our target population that we're trying to help, the better ways to apply theory, and it really goes into a lot of different areas that we're going to be working on. So I do see the importance of it. What would make learning research fun for you? I do see that we have a group project. I know many do not enjoy group projects. I do. I think it's a great way to learn new things from other perspectives instead of being on your lonesomes all the time, especially with us being an online forum. The interaction is really difficult to achieve without group work. So sometimes it can be frustrating, but it's really nice to know exactly what's expected of you and everybody work together. And I really enjoy group work. So I am pretty excited about that, as well as learning a little more in depth about PowerPoint and Excel, not PowerPoint, Excel, some of those other programs. I'm not a computer genius, so this will be very challenging. But I hope y'all have a great week and enjoy this class. And I'm excited to meet some of you. Ta-ta!